Hello guys, today we will continue the business environment topic. Under it, today we will discuss the dimensions of business environment. The dimensions of business environment, there are so many dimensions of the business environment should be there. Economic environment, social, technological, political and legal. Then first we will try to go with the economic environment. Then economic environment, the economic environment consists of the factors and forces concerning with means of production and distribution of wealth. It comprises of interest rate, rate of inflation, value of GDP, per capita income, tax rates, disposable income, etc. There are various components of economic environment which will be related to structure of economy, like rate of growth of gross national product, per capita income, rates of savings and investments, balance of payments, value of exports and imports, agricultural and industrial production, money supply in the economy, public debt, etc. Now, what is the significant effect of economic environment on business firm? The economic elements affects the business firm in so many ways, like with an increase in the rates of taxation, business expenses increase. This cause a rise in the price of goods, leading to fall in demand of such goods. With an increase in the inflation rates, there is a rise in the cost of production. These affects the profits of the business adversely. And even a rise in the per capita income and disposable income will lead to an increase in the demand for goods and services. Then overall, we can speak economic environment has immediate and direct economic impact on a business. Rate of interest, inflation rate, change in the income of people, monetary policy, price level. These are the some economic factors which could affect business firms. Economic environment may offer opportunities to a firm, or we can speak it may put constraints even. Now after the economic environment, we have the next dimension of the business environment, that is the social environment. The social environment consists of all the social and cultural forces within which business firms operate. It comprises of customs and traditions, values, social trends, etc. Various components of social environments are concerned with quality of life, life expectancy, expectations from workforce, birth and death rates, population shifts, educational system and literacy rates, consumption habits, composition of family, attitudes towards product innovations, lifestyles, etc. The significant impact or effect of social environment on business firms relate to traditions, trends and values. Now if we will try to discuss the tradition, then it refers to such social practices that are allowed or followed since decades. Traditions like celebrations of festivals provide greater opportunities to business, like confectionery, sweets, greeting cards, gift galleries, etc. Then trends. Trends refers to change in inclination towards new products. Emerging trends of health and physical fitness provide opportunities to business like gyms, diet drinks, mineral water, food supplements, etc. The next one is values. Values refers to concepts that a society holds in high esteem, such as freedom, social justice, equality, etc. Values affect business enterprises by making it more responsible towards society, enforcing non-discriminatory employment practices, and providing freedom of choice to its customers. Then overall we can speak, social environment includes various social forces such as customs, beliefs, literacy rate, educational levels, lifestyles, values, etc. Changes in social environment affect an organization in the long run. For example, you know better, nowadays people are paying more attention towards their health, as a result of which demand for mineral water, diet coke, etc. has increased, while demand of tobacco, fatty food products has decreased. Now the next dimension is technological environment. Technological environment refers to the change taking place in the method of production and use of equipment to improve the quality of products. Overall, we can say technological environment includes forces relating to scientific improvements and innovations, which provide new ways of producing goods and services, and even methods and techniques of operating a business. Significant effect of technological environment. Like with recent improvements in technology and computerization, marketing and selling of products is not possible online. These has increased the turnover and profits of many business concerns. Similarly, firms engaged in tours and travels and ticket booking are growing because of online system of ticket and hotel booking. Innovation in the area of food preservation has not only provided vast opportunities to firms producing jams, jellies, pickles, ready-to-cook foods, etc., but has also increased the demand and consumption of such products in the society. Overall, technological environment provides new and advanced ways or techniques of production. A businessman must closely monitor the technological changes taking place in the industry, as it helps in facing competition and improving quality of the product. For example, digital watches in place of traditional watches, artificial fabrics in place of traditional cotton and silk fabrics, booking of railway tickets on internet, etc. Now your next dimension of the business environment is political environment. The political environment consists of the forces concerning management of public affairs and their impact on business. It includes political conditions in the country and attitude of the government towards businesses and business policy. The major components of political environments are the constitution of the country, political stability, political ideology, political outlook on business sectors, extent and nature of government intervention in business, degree of politicization of business and economic issues. The significant effect of political environment are political unrest and threat to law and order adversely affect confidence of investors and reduce the level of investment in the economy. Decisions regarding offering subsidy to the producers gives a boost to industries. Now the last dimension of the business environment is legal environment. Overall, we can say legal environment constitutes the laws and legislation passed by the governments, administrative orders, court judgments, decisions of various commissions and agencies. Businessmen have to act according to various legislations, and their knowledge is very necessary. The legal environment consists of laws and regulations of the country. These laws have been implemented by the government through Companies Act, Factories Act, Competitions Act, etc. It is necessary for business enterprises to comply with these laws. The major significant effect of legal environment are: the advertisement of alcoholic beverages prohibited, which affects the marketing of such products. Products like tobacco and cigarettes are required to carry a statutory warning on their packages: smoking is injurious to health. Okay guys, thank you very much.